What if I told you that something as simple as oats sitting in your kitchen could actually support your muscles, boost recovery, and improve your workout results over time? Most people think oats are just boring breakfast food. Cheap, plain, nothing special. But the truth is, oats are one of the most powerful whole grains for fitness when you understand how to use them properly. In today's video, we're going to break down 4 powerful types of oats that can support muscle recovery, improve energy levels, and help your body perform better after workouts. No hype, no fake promises, just real, simple nutrition your body can actually use. And make sure you stay till the end, because I'll tell you which type of oats gives the best post-workout benefit depending on your fitness goal. Number 1. Rolled oats are one of the most balanced and reliable sources of nutrition when it comes to supporting muscle recovery and steady energy after physical activity. They are made by steaming whole oat groats and then flattening them, which keeps most of their natural nutrients intact, while making them easier to cook and digest compared to less processed forms. This combination of nutrition and convenience makes them a strong option for people who train regularly or want to improve their overall fitness performance. One of the biggest benefits of rolled oats is their high content of complex carbohydrates, which are essential for replenishing glycogen stores in muscles after exercise. During workouts, especially strength training or high-intensity activity, your body uses up stored glycogen as fuel, and if it is not restored properly, fatigue and slower recovery can occur. Rolled oats release energy at a steady rate, which helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and supports a more controlled recovery process instead of sudden energy spikes and crashes. Along with carbohydrates, they also contain a moderate amount of plant-based protein, which plays a supporting role in muscle repair and tissue rebuilding after training sessions. The fiber content in rolled oats is another important factor because it helps improve digestion and allows nutrients to be absorbed more efficiently, ensuring that the body actually uses the protein and vitamins consumed throughout the day. This is especially important for athletes or active individuals who need consistent nutrient delivery to their muscles for optimal recovery. Rolled oats also provide important micronutrients like magnesium, iron, and B vitamins, which contribute to energy production, oxygen transport, and overall muscle function. When combined with protein sources such as milk, yogurt, or nuts, rolled oats become even more effective for post-workout nutrition, helping the body repair micro tears in muscle fibers and prepare for future physical stress. Their versatility also makes them easy to include in daily meals, whether as breakfast, smoothies, or recovery bowls, allowing consistent intake without difficulty or complexity, making them a simple yet powerful foundation for long-term muscle support and strength development over time and continuous training progress without unnecessary strain or exhaustion that slows recovery processes down. Number 2. Steel-cut oats are one of the most powerful whole food options when it comes to supporting muscle recovery, endurance, and long-lasting energy throughout the day, because they are the least processed form of oats, made by simply chopping whole oat groats into small pieces rather than flattening or pre-cooking them, which preserves their dense nutritional structure and slows down digestion significantly in a way that has a direct impact on physical performance and recovery after exercise, especially for people who engage in strength training, running, or high-intensity workouts where energy. Stability is extremely important because unlike fast-digesting carbohydrates that cause quick spikes and drops in blood sugar, steel-cut oats release glucose gradually into the bloodstream, allowing muscles to receive a steady supply of fuel over a longer period of time, which helps reduce early fatigue and improve stamina during prolonged physical activity, while also supporting better post-workout recovery, since the body does not experience sudden energy crashes that can slow down repair processes. And this slow release of energy also helps maintain more stable insulin levels, which plays an important role in how efficiently nutrients are delivered to muscle tissues after exercise, making recovery more effective and consistent over time, while the high fiber content in steel-cut oats further supports digestive health by slowing down the breakdown of food and improving nutrient absorption, which ensures that the protein, vitamins, and minerals consumed alongside them are used more efficiently by the body for muscle repair and growth. And they also contain important micronutrients like magnesium and iron that contribute to muscle function, oxygen transport, and overall energy production at the cellular level, making them especially useful for athletes or active individuals who need sustained performance without frequent energy dips. And although they take longer to cook compared to other types of oats, this slow preparation process actually reflects their slow digestion benefits, making them a more natural and long-lasting fuel source that supports endurance, recovery, and overall physical resilience in a steady and reliable way over time without causing unnecessary stress on the body during or after physical exertion. Number 3, instant oats are one of the most practical and fast-acting forms of oats when it comes to post-workout recovery and quick energy replenishment because they are pre-cooked, dried, and cut into very fine pieces, which allows the body to digest them much faster than steel-cut or rolled oats, making them especially useful for situations where the muscles are depleted after intense exercise and need immediate glycogen restoration to begin the recovery process efficiently. Since during workouts, the body uses stored glycogen as its primary fuel source, and once those stores are low, fatigue, muscle soreness, and reduced performance can follow. So consuming fast-digesting carbohydrates like instant oats helps quickly refill these energy reserves and support the early stages of muscle repair. And although they digest quickly, plain instant oats still contain valuable nutrients including complex carbohydrates, a moderate amount of protein, and the same beta-glucan-soluble fiber found in other oat types, which supports cholesterol balance, heart health, and overall metabolic stability. And when combined with a protein source such as milk, yogurt, or protein powder, they become even more effective because the carbohydrates help drive nutrients into muscle cells, while protein supports muscle fiber repair and growth after training sessions, making them a convenient post-workout meal option for athletes or busy individuals who need quick recovery without spending time on complex food preparation. And another important benefit is that instant oats can help prevent excessive muscle breakdown by quickly restoring energy levels, which is especially important after high-intensity workouts or resistance training where muscle fibers experience micro-damage that requires both energy and protein for proper recovery. And even though they are more processed than other oat forms, choosing plain instant oats without added sugars or artificial flavors ensures that you still get a clean source of energy without unnecessary additives that could slow down fitness progress or negatively affect metabolism. And their versatility also makes them easy to combine with fruits, nuts, or seeds, allowing users to customize their recovery meals based on their nutritional needs and fitness goals while maintaining convenience and speed, which is often the most important factor for consistency in a fitness routine that supports long-term muscle recovery and energy balance throughout the day consistently, without delays in refueling the body after physical stress and training sessions. Number 4. Oat bran is one of the most underrated parts of the oat family when it comes to supporting muscle recovery, digestion, and overall nutrient efficiency, because it is taken from the outer layer of the oat grain, where a large concentration of fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants is stored, making it much richer in certain nutrients compared to more refined oat forms. And although it does not provide as many fast-digesting carbohydrates as rolled or instant oats, its strength lies in how it improves the body's ability to process and use the nutrients you consume from other foods, which is extremely important for muscle recovery, since muscles do not only depend on protein intake, but also on how well the digestive system can absorb and deliver those nutrients to muscle tissues after exercise. And the high soluble fiber content in oat bran helps regulate digestion by slowing down the movement of food through the digestive tract, which leads to better nutrient absorption and more stable energy release over time, preventing sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar that can negatively affect recovery and performance. and this steady metabolic environment supports the body's ability to repair muscle fibers more efficiently after training sessions, while also helping maintain a healthy gut microbiome, which is increasingly recognized in sports nutrition research as an important factor in reducing inflammation and improving overall recovery speed, because a balanced gut can help reduce the buildup of waste compounds and support a healthier internal environment for muscle repair. And oat bran is also rich in important minerals like magnesium and manganese that play a role in muscle contraction, energy production, and enzyme activity, which are all essential for athletic performance and recovery. And although it is often consumed in smaller quantities compared to other oat types due to its dense fiber content, even small servings can significantly contribute to daily fiber intake and digestive health, making it a valuable addition to a balanced fitness diet, especially when combined with other oat forms or protein-rich foods, to create a complete recovery meal that supports both short-term energy needs and long-term muscle health and performance consistency over time, without placing unnecessary strain on the digestive system or disrupting the body's natural recovery processes after exercise sessions. At the end of the day, oats are not a magic muscle builder, but they are a powerful support food when used the right way. Whether it's rolled oats for balance, steel-cut oats for endurance, instant oats for quick recovery, or oat bran for better digestion, each one plays a simple but important role in helping your body recover and perform better. Real progress in fitness doesn't come from one superfood. It comes from consistency, smart choices, and giving your muscles the steady fuel they need every day.